Hello, I'm Bill Spurlock, Director of Rutherford County Schools. I'd like to take a few moments to speak with you on career and technical education. The goal of every educator is to prepare students for college and careers. Now, we understand that college lasts a finite amount of time, whereas a career lasts a lifetime. Currently in the United States, college student loan debt is at $1.7 trillion. Now, this is not only unsustainable, it's unnecessary. Our mission statement in Rutherford County Schools is to empower today's students to grasp tomorrow's opportunities. These opportunities not only exist in our core classes, but they also exist in our career and technical education classes. We have 39 programs of study, and within each one of those programs of study, we have a multitude of career clusters. We have in our classes the ability for students to not only get high school credit, but also college credit. And some can even take an industry certification test and be prepared for some of the most challenging and the most rewarding careers. We are strong proponents of career technical education.
My name is Johnny Overcast. I work for Advanced Auto Parts. I am what they call a CAM, which is short for Commercial Accounts Manager. And my expertise is this is my 27th year being with them. Easy. I love cars. I mean, from the time I was 5, 6, 7 years old, I loved them then. Junior, senior year, I went to vocational school and took automotive mechanics. Wanted to learn. Well, I was lucky enough to have a teacher that saw I had the want to learn. And he spent extra time with me and worked with me. We got along so good that I started helping him on his race cars at night. And I think it's where some of my racing came from too. But again, it was all cars. Well, have you ever heard of the one, the early bird gets the worm? Well, I'm the early guy. I get up and get rolling, 5:30, 15 to 6, I'm out of the house. Right now I've got 7 stores and I usually show up and I'm there about 15 to 7 o'clock at the latest. I found in my job that talking to my guys, communication is by far the most important thing. They tell me issues, they tell me things we need to be done. I tell them things that's coming up. I tell them how to, training them. Then when I get out on the road, I'm the one that sells the tools and equipment. I make sure all the problems are solved. And I've got a title, which is Stocking King of this area. And what that is I go in and I might put oil filters in, belts, whatever the product is, and then every week or every other week I go in, take inventory, and I make the order for them. And what I found that does is it frees up their time and they can take care of their business. It builds a better partnership between our company, myself, and the account. It also comes up to, I've been around these guys so long that I don't even really call most of them accounts anymore. They're friends. I mean, I hang out with them at the racetrack. I hang out with them, at nighttime whenever we go out and do things. It's really become part of my life. Okay, I'll start with the store first. On my side, you have commercial parts pros, drivers. Some of my stores I have 2, sometimes 3. On the retail side, you have a manager, assistant manager, key holders, retail pros. There's so many jobs just inside the store. So anybody that's automotive based, there. But I want to go further. Just take a dealership. If you go to a dealership, you'll see service managers, you'll see parts managers, you see techs. I mean, there's so many jobs that you can branch off of just coming out of an automotive class. And it don't stop there. There's so many things out there. Insurance adjusters. All these things can branch away from this one automotive class. Well, I've already shared with you vocational school. I had one job that was a retail-based clothing business, and I was young then, had plenty of help, worked 10 hours and then go to vocational school out of Fall State in Gallatin and took retail management. And between retail management and the vocational school, I think, well, I know, every job I've ever had was covered in those two things. So if you have the love of cars and you have management skills, both of those would work. It worked great for me. I would recommend you go that way. The first thing I will say, and I'm talking from me first, is the love of cars. Do something in life that you like to do, and you'll find that work's not hard at all. You enjoy it. It makes it so much easier. So if you do have the love of cars, hey, I just said there's so many branches of ways you can do it. But your first thing is, if you're in that class, get what you can from the teachers, ask questions, learn from other students. Hey, I hope you learned something. I hope I gave you some valuable advice. It worked for me. I've enjoyed it over all these years, and I hope if you have any questions, get in touch with me somehow. God bless.
My name is Noah McAllister. I chose SHOP because I enjoy cars and I want to make a career out of it, and found this program and thought that it would, help me fulfill that goal. We do a little bit of actual work, like on paper, but the majority of it we're out in the shops doing little things from oil changes to tire rotations all the way to pulling front ends out of vehicles and swapping engines. From probably leadership and definitely just the basic skills of shop, like learning how to use all the specialized tools, tire changers, lathes, alignment machines, scan tools, things like that. Using tools I've never been able to use before, and just learning how different cars work that I wouldn't have ever got a chance to work on that by myself. My favorite experience in shop is definitely doing the big projects like engine swaps, but outside of shop, Skills USA, and it's a leadership program where basically if you're good at something, like if I'm good at working on motorcycles, I go compete against high school students across the state to go work on motorcycles, and if I get first place there, I go on to nationals and I compete with students in the nation to work on motorcycles. And they have everything from CAD design to welding, to diesel, motorcycle, anything that involves hands-on, like a trade, you can compete in, and it's really fun because it offers you a good career path. You're pretty much guaranteed to have a job if you do good in this program, and just overall meeting friends is fun. So definitely respect. You have to know what you're getting yourself into. You can't goof off. You have to get your work on. You can goof off, but there's a time and a place for that. But you have to be prepared to get out and be working every day, doing your best, and always give 100% with every job that comes in. So.
My name is Mark Everett. I'm an automotive teacher here at Riverdale High School. I'm one of 3 automotive teachers in Rutherford County. Well, I love my industry. I've always loved cars. I've always liked working on cars. I love to do things with my hands, and I wasn't going to be a guy that was going to go to college or anything for a long amount of time. I did go to a tech school, but I love the reward of being able to fix something and repair something that really not a lot of people can do. Well, hopefully they experience a lot of reward from being able to fix a car also, from working on them cars that we work on in shop. We don't do a whole lot of training aids. We use a lot of cars that people are expecting to drive home. So we have one car that we work on that's not anybody's, but most of the time they're going to work on a car that is somebody's that they're going to drive home, and they get the reward of being able to fix that car, and hopefully learn a trade that they can either use as a hobby, save themselves some money, or maybe make a career out of it. Well, again, I think if nothing else, a lot of people like to tinker with their cars, on weekends and stuff. So I think, like I say, it can be a great hobby. It can be a really rewarding career, so. And if nothing else, I think it can save you some money, in your lifetime. So one of our opportunities we offer is Skills USA is our club. It's associated with automotive. Inside Skills USA, we have lots of different categories we make kids work on. We like to say if it's got an engine, then we'll allow you to compete in that category. We compete in automotive, marine technology, motorcycle, power equipment, to name a few there. And we've taken kids, we've had many state champions in those programs, in those certain clusters there. So with those becomes scholarship offers, from different schools, scholarship money, maybe partial scholarships to places. So you have a chance to really take your career to the next level if you plan on going to school for this. Would be some of the opportunities that you would have.